Hello guys, this is Kanan's theory. So in this video, we're going to solve the lead code number 744. So it's another it's find smallest letter greater than target. So what given in this question is you are given an array of characters that is sorted in non-descending order. Non-descending order is nothing but it's an ascending order. Okay, they were given in a twisted. Okay, and a character target. Actually, they are given two. Two variables. One is a non-descending order variable. It's an array variable, and another is target variables. In this variable, you are given another value in the target. So there are at least two different characters in letters. Okay, and then return the smallest character in letters that is lexically greater than target. If such a character does not exist, return the first character in letters. So it's one of the easy question. I will explain how to find this, how to solve this code. Okay. So let's take the first example, letter C, J, F. Yeah. So here they are given variable letter. Okay. So in the letter variable, they are given array of, in the array contains sequence of characters. Okay. So they are given another variable target. It contains a variable. It contains one variable. It's a target variable. Okay. What they are asking means this target variable is not given in this letter. Okay. They didn't given this target element in the letter. We have to find the upcoming variable of the target. All right, understand? Upcoming variables and the sequence for so let's take A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Here, what are the variables are the I mean uh, here the target if the target variable is A means upcoming variables are what B, C, D, right? So if any of the variables occurs in this letter means not only B, C, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L continues. Okay, all 26 variable. Okay, so if after A, that's the upcoming variables any such as A, B, C, D, any of the variable occurs in the letters means you have to return that variable. This is what given the questions. If the target variable is F means after the F variable G, H, J, K, L upcoming variables, right? So we have to return the upcoming variables. I mean, first upcoming variables in the letter. That is what we have to find. So in this example, we have to return C because after C, after A, what is the variable? It doesn't have a B, C, D in the letter array. We only have C variable. Okay, that's why we have to return C. Okay, if the letter contains B means we have to return B. Okay, if the letter contains D means we have to return D. Okay, so here the letter contains C. Okay, if the letter contains B means we have to return B. Okay, because after A, what is the another upcoming variable? B. Okay, so we doesn't get given B, that's why we return C. Okay, this is what in the given. If if the target variable is, if the target variable is Z means here none other values, none other variable contains any. Z is the end value, right? A is the first value, Z is the final value of the entire ABCD system, right? So here after Z, none other values there, right? So if such cases occurs means we have to return the first variable. Okay, so we have to return the first value of the array. Okay, that is what the given in the question. Here the second question they given target value C, which means we have to find the first smallest letter greater than the target. Okay, first smallest letter means uh, if the array contains D, C, D, E, F, G, H means we have to find the smallest letter after C. Okay, here they didn't give any D, E, F, so they given F. F is the F is the first smallest letter after the greater than the target value, so they have to directly return F. Okay, so this is what given in the question. So in the third example, yeah, they given the target value Z, which means Z is none other value greater than the Z. None other variable letters in the ABC format greater than Z. Definitely, we have to return the first variable. This is what given in the question. Okay, if such a character does not exist, means we return the first character in letters. Okay. So how to solve this question? Before we solve this question, we have to understand that ASCII character values, ASCII values. Okay, so you can take Google, just search ASCII value of A to Z. You can easily get into the uh, Google format. Okay, yeah. Here, mm, here the value is given, right? Here, capital A is equal to 65 and small letter a is equal to 97. Okay. So here, what are these means? So computer didn't understand the variable, variable what is given in the what given in the system, right? So if you see here, maximum Alaska means computer didn't understand about maximum Alaska. They only known the zeros and one. Okay. So to understand zeros and one, we are representing the decimal format. Okay. So if we take 65, 65 is the ASCII value of A. ASCII value is nothing but it's a standard value. Okay. So they are assigning the decimal value for each variable or each symbols in the entire number determination systems. Okay. So, for example, if you given any if you given greater than or less than in any of the code means actually that it converted into 60. 60 is converted into decimal value. Okay. So I will explain how this ASCII values works. And let's take A is equal to 65. Okay. Let's take A is equal to 65. 65 is the ASCII value of A, right? So how the system, how the computer understand means you know about computer understanding capability. It understand only zeros and one, right? So how to write in the 60, 65 in zeros and one? So 64, yeah, 64, 32, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. This is the binary value of 64, 65. Okay. So it's this one is think what is a 64. This one is 1. 64, 64 plus 1, 65. Okay. So basically this binary representation is we didn't understand this binary representation, right? So it is converted into decimal. Okay, it's a decimal value. This 65 is a decimal value. Okay, so don't think it's a binary, it's a decimal value. So computer we understand this decimal value, we understand this decimal value, but computer didn't understand this value. Okay, computer understand binary value. Okay, we understand this decimal value, but computer understand this binary value. Okay. So the compiler convert this 65 into binary. Okay. This is what the compiler do. The compiler convert this value. Okay. So uh, which means wherever you see capital A in code means actually it is converted into first it converted into decimal value. Decimal value 65. The compiler converts this 65 into computer understandable value 0 and 1. Okay, this is how the ASCII values works. We didn't understand about this zeros and ones concept. I mean, we understand how the binary system works, but we can't remember this value at any time, right? So but we can remember this decimal value 65 64 is easy to understand, right? Number system is we can able to understand, but this decimal value we can able to we can't able to get it in our mind. Okay, so that's why this ASCII format is ASCII format is invented. So these are so yeah, here what you see here ASCII table is these are the standardized value which is understand by your computer. Okay, so what I'm doing this value. Okay, here you can able to see capital letter 65, right? After 65, B occurs. Okay. What is the binary value, decimal value of 65? The decimal value of B, 66. So here, um, the ascending order of this entire letter system, ABCD format, the the decimal value also incremented simultaneously. I understand. So what we're going to do here means, yeah, we can see this question. Uh, Target value is A, and the first smallest letter is C, right? So here what we are going to do is compare this value. Okay, so we are comparing this target with the entire letter system. Okay, so I will try to write this code. After that, I will explain very deeply about this code. Okay, so let's take for int I will explain. Okay, don't worry, I will just write in the quiz code. I just pause. Yeah, I already written this code. So I just explain this code right now. Okay. So don't worry, it's an easy code. Uh, I already discussed about this ASCII value. So here we go to discuss how this code works. First, I just initializing this for loop. Okay. So in this for loop, it will execute until the entire loop. I mean C F J. So here initially what they are given in this question means they are given the letters. It contains a sequence of array value. That's why given is a pointer address. Then after that, what you are going to here is letter size. I mean number of values in this entire. I mean number of variables in the entire number of characters in the entire array. Okay, so the letter size is determined the number of characters in the array. Then target means a target value, a target variable. Okay, target letters. Okay, so here first the for loop is iterated from this 0 C to J. Okay, so after that this if condition. Okay, here the ASCII value works. Okay, so first let's take an example. This what is it? Uh, I just take this. Yeah, letters, target. Yeah, here, what is the ASCII value of A? Okay, capital letter A is 65. Okay, small letter A is 90, 97. Okay, small letter A is 97 and C is 99. Okay, so small letter A is 97. Okay, small letter A is 97, C is 99. Okay, so we can given this for the entire. I mean, we can assign this ASCII value to entire array. C is equal to 99, and what is given? F is equal to 102. F equal to 102. Okay, so F equal to 102, and then J equal to 106. Okay, J equal to 106. So here you can able to see. So if A equal to 97 means B equal to definitely it's a 98, right? C equal to 99. So the values also incremented this based upon the variable. Variables are nothing but it's a letters, number system letters. Okay. So this is a trick we are going to do. So we are just comparing the target value to the uh, with the character in this array. Okay. So here the target value array is 97, right? So this 97 is greater than I mean 99. I mean 97 is less than I mean uh, okay 97 is less than C, right? The C is 99, C is 97. Okay. So we are first we are going to solve this by finding the first smallest integer which is greater than the array. I mean, which is greater than the target value. Okay. So here, this if condition is how this if condition works means. So if letters of pi greater than target is nothing but it's uh, target is what? A, right? So A is equal to 97. 97 letters of pi greater than 97 means 97 greater than 99. Condition is satisfied. I mean, no. Letters of pi means 99. It's a C. Okay, 97. 99 greater than 97, condition satisfied. We got to directly return the C value variable. Okay, so actually we can't able to return directly by character in this return value. So that's why main directly return this letters are in this in this loop. Okay, so uh, what they're given is first find smallest letter greater than target. Okay, so if nothing is happens means if nothing is satisfied, let's say you can take example 3, entire loop will not work. Okay, you can directly return the first letter, I mean first character. Okay, so this the return function works. So I think you can able to understand, you can able to get the knowledge about the ASCII values. So you can easily try to solve this ASCII values by using the frequency methods and some other methods to solve the uh, palindromes and number of characters occurs in the uh, uh, I mean number of characters occurs in the bad letter, I mean the bad in the sentence or whatever. Okay, so these type of questions, this ASCII values is very useful to get in the value, getting to solve the questions. So this concept is very very important. So basically, it's a basic fundamental concept. It's ASCII value concept. So I think we will I mean we are able to solve this set of questions in your future. We will solve this set of questions in upcoming videos. Okay, so I will put more videos about this ASCII value based questions. Okay, so just remember, okay, basically a capital letter means it will shorten from 65 and it will end at 90. So small letter means it will start from 97. Okay, basically it's incremented. Okay, it doesn't it's not a mixed value or it's not a confusing value. It's an incremental value. If you know the starting letter value means you can able to get into the upcoming letters ASCII values. Okay, so this is what the this is how the solve program works. So thanks for watching this video. I think try to go. You will understand this code. Okay, you just try to solve this question in your lead code problems. Thanks for watching this video.